Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to unbox the Zebronics multimedia headphone, which is Zeb-Storm. So here you can see the Hrithik Roshan picture over here, and this is the box piece, and here you can see all the details over here. Let's focus, and here you can see compatible for mobile, tablet, adjustable headband, foldable ear cups, call function, and here you can see the net weight is 148 grams and microphone impedance is 1.2 kilo amps and other details over here. And here you can see the highlighted features like adjustable headband, foldable ear cups, single 3.5 mm jack, call function, compatible with mobile and earphones. These are the highlighted features for this, and let's unbox it. And let's remove the plaster, and now we are going to remove it. Now we have successfully removed it, and here you can see the box piece. To remove, you need to open here, and like this. The design seems to be very good, and let's remove over here. Now we have to remove this as well, and here you can see the details like Zebronics India, and it's been imported in September 2008. The manufacturer has kept the price of $6.99, but I got it at $3.49 in the D-Mart. So here you can see a paper as well, and let's remove this so that we can get the cable over here. And now here let's keep the headphone aside, and let's check out this paper, what is about. So here you can see what are do's and don'ts, and here you can see the Zebronics Storm headphone, and this have the cushion, light cushion over here, which is which makes you comfortable while hearing the music for longer time. And these cushions are perfect, and they are smooth as well. So this is a plastic metal type, and here you can see Zebronics logo, and here the wire. And let's check out the cable over here. And so here you can see the mic with volume. It's not the volume button, it's just call pickup function. And here you can see the cable as well. So we have the 3.5 mm jack over here. So this is the unboxing video, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.